What's going on, guys? It's TheBigFishPlayz here, back with another video here on the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for another product. You might have seen the ads. Now finally I've got my hands on the Titan Power Plus Smart Cable. So it was sent fresh from Tanxiaohua Longhua Jie Dong Huan Yi Lu Chuang Ke Dian Shang Yuan. Yeah. So if we go ahead and open up the parcel. The Titan Smart Cable comes in this nice little sort of Ziploc bag. So if we go ahead and open this. So here's the cable with its triple threaded aramid design thing. If we look here, so this is the 90-degree right angle lightning cable connector, and then this is the smart USB input, which can be plugged in both ways. Indeed, we will be testing that later in this review. So I go ahead now and just take this off. Just bear with me a minute. Okay, so I undo that latch. Here's the cable. I've ordered myself the 1.2 meter cable because really I don't think you're going to need much longer than that unless for very, very specific purposes. Now for the purpose of testing whether the plug really does plug in both ways as they claim, I'm just going to use the back of my computer because I really cannot be bothered to find a PowerPoint. So bear with me 1 second and I'll be with you. Alright guys, so now we're here in the back of my 10-year-old iMac with my beautiful USB ports here. So let's go ahead and plug it in this way. Slots in nicely. Now if I unplug this and I was to plug it in the other way, look at that, easily slots in, no problem, no questions asked. And even better, look at this. Cable's got this beautiful green LED light, so you can easily see it in the dark and you know when it's charging, there's power running through it. But because it's made in China, does mean it's cheap and they have to cut costs somewhere. So if we go ahead and flip it over, yep, you guessed it, it's only light on one side. Well, honestly, there's not really much more for me to say about this cable. They do claim that most of the cheaper non-MFI certified cables can only have 1 amp of current through running through it, but because this one is MFI certified, it can have up to 2.4 amps of current flowing through it, therefore charging up to 2.4 times faster than a regular cheap cable. This can support fast charging, so you can have power when you need it most. Honestly, I don't think there's really much for me to say except when I bought this, it was $18.45 Australian. Honestly, I'm not sure if you can really justify this to be $18, but I mean, feeling it, the quality is not bad. It is quite nice to touch. The plastic on the end doesn't feel too cheap. Still a bit quite solid. If I look at, say, the lightning end of this, it's not loose or wobbly like wants to break off. looks solid, and when I did plug it into my phone earlier, it did indeed charge. So yeah guys, if you have been seeing these ads for the Titan Power Plus smart cable and you've been thinking, should I buy one? Should I not? Is it dodgy Chinese website? Should I buy it? Well, there's always deals on that website. I got mine 15% off at the time. At the moment, I think there is 15% off at the moment, so I do recommend getting this. It's good, feels good quality. I don't think you'll regret it. Even though it is a bit on the pricey side, it's good, it's practical, it's strong, better than any other cable it is with its smart designs. Being able to plug in both sides is fantastic. So if you want a good charging cable for any of your devices, go ahead and buy this. Not only does it do Lightning, as it does USB-C and micro USB, depending on what sort of device you have. So there you have it guys. That was my take on the Titan Power Plus smart cable. Hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Hopefully help you decide whether or not you should buy one or not, or maybe just introduce you to something else you might be interested in the future. But that's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and don't forget to make sure to subscribe to see more useful product reviews in the future, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. See you all guys.